morning, groomies. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 of EVS Healthy Habits. Healthy habits help us to stay clean and healthy. Now, let's know more about healthy habits at home. Keep your house, especially your room, clean. After playing, keep your toys at a proper place. Now, some healthy habits you should follow while eating. Wash your hands before and after eating. Drink from your own glass and eat from your own plate. Now, some healthy habits in the toilet. Do not waste water. Turn off the tap after use. Some other healthy habits are: cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief while sneezing. Don't bite your nails and exercise every day. Now let's get started. List 4 activities that you perform between waking up and coming to school. Now students, you have to fill these boxes between waking up and coming to school. Keywords: germs, tiny living things that can make us sick. Tiny living things जो हमको sick कर सकते हैं. Habit, style और manner. Trim, cut to size. Often, many times. What is the boy in the picture doing? You must have taken a bath before coming to school. Staying clean keeps our body healthy. It also makes us feel fresh and happy. Can you identify this habit? Students, you have to identify what this boy is doing in the picture and you have to complete this word. Now, one of your groomy friend will read this chapter for you.
The importance of keeping clean. Germs are present everywhere. These germs make us fall ill. Hence, it is important to keep our body and the surroundings clean. This helps us to get rid of germs.
Now students, why it is important to keep us clean? हमको clean क्यों रहना चाहिए? Because germs are present everywhere. Everywhere there are germs and we fall ill just because of germs. So it is important to keep our body and surroundings clean.
Ma'am, now let's do this box. Take some glitter in your hands and shake hands with your friends. Do they get the glitter on their hands too? This shows how germs spread.
Now groomies, you can take sand also instead of glitter.
Staying clean. Here are some habits that will help you stay clean and get rid of harmful germs. First is, we must brush our teeth twice a day and rinse our mouth after every meal. We must visit a dentist regularly.
So students, you should brush your teeth twice a day and visit a dentist regularly.
Second is, we must take a bath in the morning and after play outdoor.
So you should take a bath in the morning and when you come after playing outdoor, and then also you should take a bath.
Yes, we must comb our hair daily.
Students, you should comb your hair daily.
Fourth, we must trim our nails regularly.
You should trim your nails regularly.
Fifth, we must wash and dry our hands before and after a meal. Pets have germs too. After playing with them, we must make sure to wash our hands.
So, before and after eating meal, you should wash your hands And when you play with your pets, then also you should wash your hands.
Sixth, we must keep the places around us clean to stop the growth of germs.
Now, how can you stop the growth of germs? By keeping the surroundings clean.
Let's try. How often do you trim your nails? I trim my nails after 7 days. Healthy habits. To keep healthy, it is important to do the following things. Sleeping on time. Have you heard of the saying, early to bed, early to rise, makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. Proper sleep helps to rest the mind and the body and recharge them for the next day. We have a good sleep of 6 to 8 hours a day.
So students, आपको at least 6 to 8 hours a day sleep लेना is compulsory. By taking 6 to 8 hours sleep, you recharge yourself for the next day.
Breathing fresh air. There are many cars and buses on the road. They give out smoke and make the air dirty. If we breathe dirty air, we become sick. So, we must help to keep the air clean. We can do this by growing plants. Plants clean the air. This clean air is healthy to breathe. We must grow plants all around us.
Students, you must have seen cars and buses on the road. They give out smoke and make the air dirty. If we breathe dirty air, we become sick. अगर हम dirty air breathe करते हैं तो हम sick हो जाते हैं. So we must help to keep the air clean. So students, how can we make the air clean? We should grow more and more plants around us because plants clean the air. This clean air is healthy to breathe.
Keeping fit. Exercise is healthy for us and our body. We must exercise every day. It keeps our body fit and our mind fresh. Cycling, running and stretching are a few exercises that keep us fit. Playing with our friends keeps us active and happy.
How can we keep our body fit? हम अपनी body fit कैसे रख सकते हैं? By doing exercise regularly, we can keep our body fit. Cycling, running, stretching are a few exercises that keep us fit, and when you play with your friends, you keep yourself active and happy.
Did you know there are so many things around us like germs, bacteria and dust. Myths. However, we may not see them as they are very small. The best way to see them is through a microscope. Eating healthy. Eating food on time is another healthy habit. We should choose food slowly and properly. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Drink plenty of water. Have milk and milk products.
Eating healthy food is another healthy habit. So you should chew food slowly and properly. आपको जो फूड होता है एकदम स्लोली एंड प्रॉपरली च्यू करना चाहिए. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. You should eat fruits and vegetables every day. Drink plenty of water. आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाटर पीना चाहिए. Have milk and milk products. You should have milk and milk products. It's not products, it's products. Now let's do.
Next to each finger, write the name of any activity that you do every day. Color the finger if the activity helps you to stay healthy.
Now students, you have to write those activities that you do every day, and you have to color that finger that helps you to stay healthy. Now students, that's all for the chapter. Now you have to read this chapter 2 times to understand it well.